Hi there, Titans. Welcome to another video. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to be talking about some specific features to do with the payment integration settings in your Titan web project. So there are a few different options for payment integration, and I did do a video on how to set that up. Of course, you can, I'll just show you real quickly a little bit. So you have a few different payment options, all of these. But if you are using Stripe, then we do have a specific Stripe widget that you can use that will embed the card fields within your web project. For any of the other ones, then you can also still have your users pay through, PayPal or another payment provider. But instead, it looks like a widget. So say they wanted to donate $1,000, and then they pay here, and this is where the payment modal opens up, and this is where they enter their card information. So let me show you a few other features to do with this payment integration. So I showed you how after your payment takes place, you're able to update records or create a push to push in the Salesforce and keep track of your payment integrations. So you also have the ability to map specific parameters from your payment integration. So here you can see all of these Stripe parameters, and this is coming from Stripe itself. And if you use PayPal or any of the other payment providers, then their parameters would be here as well. And that can really help you with keeping track of your payment information within your Salesforce environment. So you can set that up within your Salesforce push settings. Now let me show you some of the some features within the widget. Again, this is only for Stripe users. So I can select the payment. Let me go in and edit it. We have an option to have different layouts. So this is one row, 2 rows, or 3 rows. So 1 row means that the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV will be on 1 row. Or you can split it up into 2, or you can split it up into 3. So let me show you 3, and I'll also show you 1. Choose next, apply, close, and save. Let's look at this real quick. So this means that our card information will be on 3 lines. And if I were to change this, I can also choose 1. And here we see it on 1 line. So it goes like this. So totally up to you on which way you want to configure that. There are some other things that you're able to change about this. So under interactivity, of course, like any other element, you can decide to have it hidden on load and then be displayed on another action. You can also have hide pay button. So if you wanted another button, so maybe you wanted them to enter the information, but then they pay here, and you can have other things happen first. Maybe you want them to, the account will be created before they pay, or something like that can totally be done. That might be a reason that you want to hide your payment button. And you can also hide the icon as well. I think that's just the icon on the element itself when it shows on the screen of the project. Of course, you can set up conditions. Maybe you only want them to pay via Stripe if they're in the US, or whatever instance you need. Here are the different captions. So after the payment's successful, if you wanted to say something cool and funky, you can change the way that the different messages are displayed. Pay button would be really important too. So say we're not going to hide the pay button, but we want to change it to donate. We can do that, and as well as like the processing button. And just like any other element, you can change the animation on it and update metadata to keep track of your elements. So that is some extra functions to do with the payment integration, and I hope that this helps and really streamlines your web projects for your clients. Thank you for watching.